a DIY denim dress. Yes, I made it, and I'm going to show you guys how I did it. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube page. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to transform your denim skirts, like 2 denim skirts, into this FashionNova outfit. So I've been seeing this FashionNova outfit on Instagram, on social media basically, and I just decided that, you know what, you can actually DIY this, you know. You guys know that's how I get inspired. Yeah, I just see pictures and I'm like, oh, let me try this, and it works out. Sometimes it doesn't work out, but sometimes it does. Like this one worked out, and I was happy because I just did it on the go. And this is the UK. I really cannot waste my clothes the way I do in Nigeria back then. Because in Nigeria, most times I just go thrift and, you know, transform, or maybe I have one old pair of stuff and, you know, but it's quite hard doing DIY in the UK here, especially if I have to cut or whatever. But today I did it and it was successful, and I'm going to share with you guys. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and also turn on your notification. And if you want me to style anything, or you need styling tips or anything, just drop your comments and I will do that, to be honest. Don't forget to follow me on my socials too: Instagram FakeItPearl, TikTok FakeItPearl, and let's get into it. So guys, this is my denim skirt, my very short denim skirt. I got this skirt from Primark. It's a size 8. I think they were having these sales and I had to get the skirt. I've been looking for a cheap denim skirt, so in case I ruin it, it's not going to be that bad. It's not going to hurt me that bad. Anyway, so I got a blade and I did this. Yeah, so we're just going to take... Oh my god. So we're just going to open this up. Yeah, just going to open it up as wide as your arm can go into it, but you're not going to cut the band. Can you see what I'm doing? So you're just going to open it below the band of your skirt, and you're going to do it at both sides. And then let me show you guys what we have finally. So this is it. My hand through this place, and put my hand through this place. So I'm just going to, like, you know, I'm going to tuck the edges in. I'm going to tuck the edges in, and that's what we have, guys. I think I like it. It's not that wide to go like off when it's closed, so it's just going to be like this if it's closed. We're just going to have it like this. So we're gonna have it, it's going to be like this if it's closed. This is how it's going to be. So if we're having it closed, it's going to be like a bunch of sugar, yeah. And if we are going to open it, we can now take it like this. So guys, this is it. This is how it looks like. And to achieve this exact style, we're going to tuck it in, which I just did here. I tucked in the mini skirt. I wish it was longer. It will have tucked in properly. And this is me trying to zip it up. Anyway, I zipped it up, and this is what we have. We have the one shoulder denim dress like the FashionNova one. If you zip it off, what do you guys think? I think I did a good job anyway. How easy though, Mark. You just needed like a pair of scissors or a blade or a razor blade, and you've got all you need. So here, this is what I'm wearing. I actually like it. I like it when the zip is opened because it's more free, and you know, you can move your hands and, you know, do everything you want to do. And if you want it to really go down completely, if it's zipped up, like this, you need to get something that it's wider, like a larger size. You can go like 2 sizes higher. Yeah, very large size. Yeah, so that's that. Hope you guys enjoyed my video today and you found it helpful. If you did, give me a thumbs up and also give me a shout out, a comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Love you guys.